Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Creative Giving, and in today's video I want to share how to make this double chocolate lactose-free cookies. Not only are these lactose-free cookies absolutely delicious, they're super simple to make. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius and then line your baking sheets with some parchment or baking paper. In a large bowl, mix together your flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Now I'll have all my measurements typed out down below for your convenience, and you can absolutely make your recipe by using lactose-free ingredients. Purely to save some washing up, I am using a whisk to mix my dry ingredients together. However, if you do have a stand mixer, feel free to use that. Then in a separate bowl, add your butter. Now my butter is a dairy-free alternative called Nuttalex that you can get in Australia. And then caster sugar as well as brown sugar. Now we're gonna cream these together, and again, trying to save some dishes, I'm just doing it with a handheld mixer, but if you have a stand mixer, feel free to use that. The idea here is to cream it quite nicely and then add in your eggs one at a time, making sure there's no shells in there, and then cream it all together until the mixture turns nice and pale. And of course, don't forget the vanilla. Make sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl to incorporate all the ingredients together while mixing your ingredients. Mix until it's all nice and light in color. This can take up to 1 or 2 minutes. Once your mixture is nice and light in color, scrape down the sides of your bowl and then slowly add in your dried ingredients. I did mine in half a batch just to ensure that I do not end up with a face full of flour or all over my bench, and then slowly incorporated that into the mixture by using the slow speed on my handheld mixer. Once we reach the stage where it's almost fully incorporated, I did switch back to my spatula to incorporate all the ingredients together without over mixing my dough. Now to make these lactose free, I am using a vegan white chocolate as well as a vegan milk chocolate, which is made out of coconut milk rather than cow's milk. Altogether it made about a cupful of chocolate. Go ahead and mix that all together to make sure all the flour and sugar are well combined. And then it's the fun part of scooping those out. Now you can use a ice cream scoop here to get your cookies depending on the size of cookies you like. These made pretty big cookies, and this recipe does not spread out like other recipes tend to do. I added about 5 on my baking tray and then baked these for about 12 minutes in my 190 degree oven. The cookies came out lightly browned and absolutely delicious, crispy on the outside but still quite soft in the center. Now the cookies on the left I hand rolled by scooping it into a spoon and then rolling it in my hands and then gently flattening it to try and get a flatter cookie. Now this wouldn't be a craft of giving video if I didn't gift this to someone else to enjoy as well. So to gift this as a little thank you for a loved one in my life, I did individually wrap my cookies and then add them into a beautiful box with a display window, and of course topped it with a cute little sticker that says baked with love. If you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Make these cookies for yourself, especially for those that are lactose intolerant who tend to miss out on the yummy things in life. Please subscribe for more videos. I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects, and I thank you for watching. Remember to be crafty with your giving, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!